Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I have a little unboxing. I have Enailcouture, a little package. I bought some stuff off of Enailcouture, and I got some stuff off of Shein. So I separated it out and put it in a baggie of all the nail stuff. So we will do that. So let's start with the Shein stuff, shall we? So let me take that. It took a couple weeks. It always comes with a little coupon code. And empty my stuff out. I got some sweaters and stuff, but I'm not showing you that. So we're just going to concentrate on the nail stuff. So I have, well, and I got some Christmas masks. Since I have to wear them all the time and wear them at work, I got some Christmas ones. So I have that. Looks like that'll be comfortable. Simple mask. So candy canes and trees. Little reindeers in a sleigh. That's cute. Santa, snowmen, trees, presents, candy canes. And a giant Santa. So those will be cute to wear. And what else do I have? I bought more fingers, so it's the same as I already have, that I've used already, like this. The sticky pad really doesn't do much, but I don't need it to. So I have several little fingers, so that'll be good to practice on. I liked that, it was easier to use. So this was a, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. So I have 5 fingers. And what else did I get? Some foils. So this is all from Shein. Oh, pretty. Okay, let's save the bag. So it's like foil and on a netting. That'll be pretty. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. Gold foil on a pink netting. I like that. I got little, those little, I don't know what they're called, but you see them. Little shapes, apples, fruits. That's cute. There are a lot of them in there. That's nice. I also have these. They're nice and flat, so just bright colored flowers. Those are cool. So I thought that'd be fun to play with. Oh, and some bears, because, you know, they're cute. These ones have little eyeballs on them. Let's see if I can. You can see some of them that way. Let me move them down. There we go. Those are cute. Those little bears. And I have more bright colors. I guess I was in the mood for brightness when I was shopping. So nice little container. You can flip things up. I'm just going to turn them around. So we got butterflies, shapes, letters, numbers, hearts, stars, circles, flowers. So yeah, it's a good little array of brightly colored stuff to decorate nails. And I have more nail decor. Cute little container. I like this container a lot. So just different shapes. There you go. These are cute, light colored, sparkly. Like it. I like it. And I have a little paint palette. Open it. So this would be cute for mixing dish. Isn't that cute? A little crown. Looks like a mirror, but it's not. So it's just a little palette to paint on. So that'll just stay here on my desk. And then I have these. The little decals. Let's see what's in here. I got bows flowers. More flowers, daisies. Daisies. Different kind of flower. More daisies. The hearts. No pinwheel flowers. These are cool. Like stars. And lots of different flowers. I like it. It's very nice. And everything I picked was pretty cheap. I'm never going to get that back in there. So. And I have this dip powder recycling system. So it has a little funnel so I can put it back into the jar. Can I get it out of the box? Taking it all apart. Okay, so here we go. Where you put your finger. That side slides in. So I have two little scoopers. It slides in the side. So then I can just pour it over here and then put the leftover dips back into the jar and save it. Since I'm just using it on myself, that'll be perfect. So I can recycle things. It has a funnel. Perfect. So that was my Shein haul. Now let's open the Enailcouture one. I'm just going to open it. Okay, now I got everything set up. Let's see what I got. Got another A pink. It is a different color than I have. I have two of them already. But as soon as I get some of my nails back, I'm going to be putting just a gel strengthener on them. And this is that color. That's pretty. So I like these a lot. And this is number 6. Yep, it says 6 on the box. So nice. I like the A pink. So let's open this. We can find what's in here. Oh yeah. The new DIY gel color. It is Fantasy Pink. This one comes in 2 sizes, which is cool. So let's see what the color is. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's a nice pink. I don't know if you can tell. There's something white. That's pretty. Now that I made a mess. Like it. So Fantasy Pink. Put it with my other one. I have the regular one. Okay. And I got some decals. So I have this one. That's cute. Some more fantasy. Hello, kiss. Live. Rainbows, unicorns. And here's this one. Some of those like candy hearts. Milk, that's cute. Tired. Sucker. Oh, that's cute. I like it. And then some more just geometric shapes. That's nice. Is it just one of them in here? Let's find out. Oh, ooh. There's several. So here's that. Presents. Oh, that'd be fun at Christmas. Shapes, bows, roses, and then that one you saw already. And I also got this, hard to see, so let's see, there we go. So just fancy stars. Yeah, this one's just one each and the other ones. Very cool. And it was a smaller order because I wanted to get this. So it is a book to put all your decals in so you can have a place for them. So let's open it up and see what I can fit in there. Cute. That looks like it's a good amount. And let's just get these in here. So you can probably put like one each. A couple packs in every. So let's just see what I want to do. I'm going to put all these in there, but I'm going to flip it so I have, which ones do I like the best? There. And I have an idea of what I have. These ones from Shein could fit in here. I could fit like quite a bit. Oh, is it going each? Oh, look at that. You can fit them on each side. Pockets. Nice. I like that. So then I will just slide this on this side. And then I can put the rest of my decals in here so I have a better idea of what I have. So I like that. To set that up. Oh, as I put it in the back. But you know, you get the idea. Obviously, I don't want them way back there. But whatever. So that's what I got for you today. Just simple and quick video. Still working on making sure my little nubs are growing. Not too bad. I had press-ons on last week. But I am just going to, for the next couple weeks, just do some color streaks. So that's what I have on my nails now. Okay. This one's still going. We got some nail. It's nail coming. It's super thin and weak, but I got a nail there. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like this video. Give me a nice thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't already, I appreciate you all. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you. Have a great day. Toodaloo.